have to do like a really good job pressing this into your skin. Like pressing it into your skin should take you a few minutes. Like, now for the brightening powder, we're gonna put a little, I swear, do not go ham with this powder. Do not. This powder will go from 0 to 100 real quick. Like, when I tell you, don't play yourself. So you really want to go very delicately into this. Like, this is too much, to be honest. And you guys, I don't know if you could tell, but that really does brighten it up. Just a tiny bit. I don't want an excessive brightening. Right there, right there, right there. We are done. This is one of my first eyeshadows that I ever really like purchased. This is Laura Mercier. Let me see. Mine's broken. So this is Laura Mercier in the shade Truffle. I think they have discontinued this. If this color isn't discontinued, let me know. But this is the shade Truffle, and it's actually a really pretty cool tone brown. And I'm just gonna dust that in the crease a little bit under the eye, and then leave it alone. And this is the brush that comes with this powder. However, I kind of want to use something a little bit thinner. So we're going to go in with this fan brush. I'm just doing this. This looks super gorgeous. You know what it is? I feel like using a smaller brush, I got a more precise application and it looks a lot more glowy and pretty. And first time I used this glow powder, I went straight in and put my brush in the product, and then I tapped it and I did that, and it put too much product on my face, so I didn't know what to do. But this time, using a smaller fan brush, and you guys can see the difference in the size. Using a smaller fan brush just made it look so much prettier. That's insane. And then it really just looks it doesn't look chunky, glitter. It's just a really pretty glow. I really like that. What do you guys think? Oh, you already know I'm not a lip gloss girl at all. However, these smell incredible. Like, better than any other lip gloss I've ever owned in my whole entire life. These like smell like some type of vanilla dessert that you just like want to keep putting on. Like, the color that I really like the most and that I was going to use today is this one right here, and this is the shade Cosmic. It's just a clear gloss that has shimmer in it. That's literally all it is. And then there's one more that I'm thinking that I might use, and that's this color, and this is called Bare Blush. I'm just blending out my lip liner a little bit, if you're wondering what I was doing with my finger. Taking it and blending out that lip liner because it was a little too harsh of a line. And yeah, I really like this look, and I would love to know what you guys think. If you like it, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want, follow me on Instagram. And thanks so much, guys, for watching. I really, really appreciate it. Love you. Bye.